Product unboxing for the LED light bar for the rear of the tailgates. This is from Rough Country. Thank you very much, Rough Country, for supplying all the prizes for 2019. We greatly appreciate it. Helps get more people to events and doing things. This is a LED light strip, and it does have a 4-way connector on it, along with the instructions. I don't want to pull it completely out of here, but good quality, high visibility LEDs that you can see in the product review videos on YouTube and such, and on their website. So got a few of these to give away. We're constantly moving product for giveaways, so jump on to rl4wd.com, and into the store section there's a category for prizes where you get codes and we ship you what you want if you win. There we go. But I'd like to thank all of the members for participating in the events, for reviewing trails, providing trail data, doing the mapping, doing the trail guide ambassador stuff. This stuff wouldn't work without you. It wouldn't work without the manufacturer support as well. So thank you to Rough Country and the manufacturers that are supporting Road Legal 4-Wheel Drive and our mission to get more trails.